Well, how crazy is this? A chainsaw, a little 10-inch chainsaw on a stick. It's meant to go into your trimmer. I happen to have a 40-volt lithium-ion trimmer. This is Ryobi. That's their quick attachment thing. I think the quick attachments are pretty much standard now. But yeah, we're gonna give this thing a try, and I've already made one cut with it, and I'll tell you if I'm a believer or not, or you can judge for yourself. Tell you what, I'm impressed, especially working from a battery-powered trimmer. There's a lot of times I just don't want to fire up the big chainsaw, and this is probably not meant to really do stuff this size. And this is hardwood, it's ash, and it did a remarkable job. So yeah, for getting this out and doing some quick branches or quick trim up, I don't think you can beat it. The saw blade removes just like a standard saw blade. It's got a regular 10-inch saw chain, and there's a reservoir for oil, and apparently it has an automatic pump in there to pump the oil in. I got this used, so I don't have instructions with it, but it works great. I'm glad I bought it. So if you're having any doubts about whether it does the job, I think that just answered your question.